Dear students, in lesson 4 we would study about the history of biophysics. The learning objectives of this chapter would be a short history of biophysics and biophysical society. If we look into the history of biophysics, it meets Greeks and Romans who first developed hypotheses about the physical basis for consciousness and perception. With the rapid development after World War II, people start thinking about nuclear physics and biophysics. Nuclear physics came into play during World War II. The effects of nuclear physics to biological systems were horrible as it caused a huge disaster for human beings. So, scientists started focusing on the effects of radiation on living matter, either plants or animals. Physicists were introduced to biologists and biological problems, and they started thinking with collaboration with each other. Biophysics evolved as a new scientific field in that era. Origin of biophysics go before the division of natural sciences into separate disciplines. At that time, bioluminescence was also a curious matter. What is bioluminescence? बायोल्यूमिनेसेंस एक ऐसा बायोलॉजिकल फिनोमेना है जिसमें एनिमल्स ग्लो करते हैं या लाइटनिंग इजेक्ट करते हैं. जैसे कि आप एक कॉमन एग्जांपल ले लें फायर फ्लाइज की, जुगनू जिसे हम आम जुबान में कहते हैं, तो दे हैव सम मैकेनिज्म ऑफ लाइटनिंग इन देम. So this is bioluminescence. Some jellyfishes have the phenomena of bioluminescence. Bioluminescence must be considered among the most ancient objects of biophysical exploration. Emission of light by living organisms has long stimulated the curiosity of natural philosophers. So they started thinking on it and they started working on it. In 1892, Carl Pearson found the missing link between biology and physics. He was basically an English mathematician and biostatistician, but he derived the term biophysics in 1892. Later on, biophysics is a relatively young discipline, but its origin go back a long way. In 1943, the popularity of biophysics rose sharply when a book was published by Erwin Schrödinger, What is Life? Later in 1946, Biophysics Research Unit, King's College London, hired physicists to work on questions of biological significance. And in 1953, Francis Crick, who was a particle physicist, he turned into a biophysicist at Cambridge University, and James Watson, they discovered the double helical structure of DNA. 1957 was the time when the American Biophysics Society was founded, and a series of conferences on biophysics were organized in 1959. It was considered extremely novel for physics scientists to have common interest with medicine and biology scientists. So the first National Biophysics Congress was held from 3rd to 5th June 1963 in Italy. In 1973, foundation of the Italian Society for Fundamental and Applied Biophysics occurred. So what were the roles of Biophysical Society, which was formed in 1957? The basic aim was to boost the development and distribution of knowledge in biophysics through many activities including meetings, publications, community outreach, and career placement. And it exceeded 9,000 members in academia, industry, and government agencies worldwide. The society also publishes Biophysical Journal twice monthly. So what were the history of discoveries in biophysics? They include first law of thermodynamics, optical aspects of human eye, theory of hearing, Brownian motion, non-equilibrium thermodynamics, discovery of X-rays, emergence of radiation of biophysics. One of the major contribution biophysics did was gene mutation and gene structures discovery. Because through gene mutations and gene structure discovery, now we come to know that how the genes are transmitted from one generation to another generation. Discovery of DNA structure was also a very keystone in the formation of molecular genetics. We studied about information theory and statistical physics of biopolymers. These are all the major contributions of biophysics. In the next lessons, we would study them in detail one by one. Thank you.